Say my name until the city burns and the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt. Stay with me until the last man falls. I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you, I have it all. Oh, I'll never let you slip away. Oh, and you don't have to be afraid. I will hold you till the sun comes crashing down. I'm yours until the end of time.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am super glad you're joining me today. We are back here at Skye Canyon in a new community called Marvella by Century Communities Builder. And this builder is offering thousands of incentives. Plus, they just brought down the price from 500,000 approximately down to the mid 400s. So that's a really huge price drop there. As long as you can close the contract by the end of this year, then you'll get the price. But they said that that pricing might change next year. So I am pretty excited for us to do this together. Before we proceed, let's do three things. First, let's subscribe to this channel. Second, let's like this video. And third, you are very welcome to share this video to your family and friends so that they will know there is such a community like this here in Las Vegas. Pretty nice community, gated community, lots of parks around and easy access to the Las Vegas Strip. Okay guys, but after this video, I highly recommend that you check out the channel page. I created a playlist there per builder, so you will have an easier time looking at your favorite builder. Okay guys, let's tour this home together. Alright guys, this is the home. So basically this was previously about 500,000, but they brought it down to $450,000 approximately. And then they still offers like thousands of incentives, pretty much about $30,000 to go to your upgrades or your closing costs, or you can bring down the interest rate if you want to. This is a nice paver here, smoothly going to your two-car garage. And this one has a really nice stonework here. Look at that, guys. Right? Okay, I'm super excited to check this house. The entrance is on the side. And this is 2,114 square feet. Really good price. All right, smells good in here. Wow, this is a really nice wide opening here. It doesn't justify in the video, guys, but if you go here in person, this is wide. And then you have this really nice opening, high ceiling there, right? Very nice. So the entrance to the second floor is on this side, but let's check out what's happening on this. I think this might be your garage. So they normally close that. I will guess this is the coat closet, but let's try and confirm that. Yes, it is. Okay. Before we go up to the second floor, let's check out your main living area here, right? And I'm seeing something on the right side. Maybe we should check that. Okay, so you have an office space. This is really nice, but I'm seeing something here. Hello guys. Okay, so you have a half bathroom designed with this really nice flooring here. Look at that flooring, tiling, really nice, right? This is very convenient because right immediately upon opening the house, it's on the right side, and also conveniently located near your office space. This is a very cozy office space. Definitely nice to work in here. You also have these big windows here. So guys, the discount they are offering, they brought it down almost 50K. This is only available this year if you close this year. Okay, let's check out this one. Oh wow, this is a storage space. Look at this, guys. They utilized all the way there because this is the underneath the stairs. That's why they were able to utilize a lot of storage space there. Yeah, but as I mentioned, guys, this one is only, the pricing is only available if you close this year in their designated lot. So $450,000 approximately. And then you still have some thousands of incentives. They said you can negotiate at 30K total. That's awesome. It can bring down to your total cost to lower 400. Okay, you have this really nice open space, guys. Look at this. You know, it's not the biggest, but this is really very cozy in here because there's so much light. And look at, and the furniture they use is really nice. Okay. And this is your fireplace. Love the stonework. This is really a nice stonework there. Right? Very, very nice. Okay, that's awesome. Let's check out your kitchen. Oh wow, so this is a nice pantry here, right? Lots of storage space. Okay, so far this layout makes it really cozy. Okay. Love the white. They use really thick counter here at Century Communities. Okay, so you have a window while washing your dish. This is a huge sink there, and this is how it looks like. I'm at the very corner of this counter here at your kitchen, so you can feel how it looks like. Right? Let me just check out this because this is unique, meaning it doesn't have any design, but it looks plain but beautiful, right? So we can ask also if you can put like a vent hood here. Okay. Let's check out your dining area, which leads to your backyard. And I'm gonna go on the very corner of this dining area so you can see the openness of it. You can talk to everyone here easily, no doubt. Okay, the only thing I would suggest if you wanted to upgrade, guys, is to make this a waterfall edge, double waterfall on each side. That would be amazing. Okay, since we're already here, let's check out your backyard. But before that, we have to raise this up so that we can check your backyard. So this is not the biggest lot, right? But we can definitely ask if you can upgrade this into a much bigger lot. Nice that the railing is there. This is how it looks like from the side. I'm gonna go on this side so that you can see how it looks like from this side of your backyard. Pretty easy to maintain. If you don't need like a big lot, I think this is ideal for you. If you are not wanting to maintain a huge lot, this is definitely perfect. Oh, I like that there is a side gate there. Okay, so pretty cozy, easy to maintain, right? Very, very cozy. The good thing, they already have this cover here so that it will protect you from the sunlight if you wanted to be protected from the ultraviolet rays. Okay, I'm gonna close the door quickly so that the air conditioning will not be affected. Okay, so let's go to your second floor, right? This is nice. The opening was really high ceiling there when we opened the door a while ago. Okay, let's check out what's happening on your second floor. I'm seeing a loft area. Okay, wow, impressive. With this square footage, guys, they were able to put this loft. That's how nice the layout is. And then this is the high ceiling that I was mentioning a while ago, right? That's your first floor there. Okay, that's your loft area. Lots of lights in here. You don't need the lighting during the day. Right, very, very nice. You can have your kids do their homework here. And after doing their homework, then they can do their movies. They have to do their homework first. Okay, so let's check out the secondary bedroom. Nice, they were able to put a linen closet there. Okay, this is a pretty wide bathroom. See how they were able to put like a cabinetry there to put your towels, and it's a double sink. Look, guys. So yeah, this is a really nice setup here. Right? You have your shower there. The only thing is they didn't do the closure to the toilet and the shower. And maybe because of the space situation, they can't put a door there in between your sink and your shower area. But still good. It's very spacious. Okay, so let's check out this. Okay, so this is designed as if you have a daughter or a baby girl. You can actually put like a queen size bed here, no doubt. And they have this window. Right? Okay. Pretty good size, actually. It's not bad. Meaning it's not the biggest, but it's also not small. And then you have the closet there. Okay, so let's check out the room for your baby boy or your son. Right? Definitely a boy's room. And there are mountain ranges here. This looks small in the video, but when you go here in person, these are large. I like that they always put those desks there so that you know, it's easy to have a laptop area for your kids. Okay, this is nice. Very, you know, it's not the biggest room, but at the same time, just enough standard size for your secondary bedroom. Okay, I believe that section there is the primary bedroom. And the reason why this is very ideal, guys, is because your secondary bedroom is all the way there, and then your primary is on this side. So you have so much privacy on your primary bedroom. And this is your laundry area. very spacious. They were able to put a sink here, so that's nice. It already has the cabinetry. The only thing I would recommend, since this is near your primary bedroom, is to put an insulated door and then also an insulated wall around. Okay, there is something here. I believe this might be a linen closet. Yes, it is. Okay, let's get to your primary bedroom. This is a pretty good size, not the biggest, but they were able to put a king-size bed in here, so that's good. I want to see the window here. Look at the mountain views, guys. Right? Those are the mountain views. It looks small here, but when you go here in person, those are big. Okay, let's check out your primary bathroom. Hello, guys. By the way, guys, this is your water closet. Someone corrected me about what they call this, so I really appreciate it, because I always call it as a toilet area. But thank you to the one, forgot your name on YouTube, but she mentioned, I think she mentioned that this is called water closet in America rather than a toilet area. So thank you for that word or description. Okay, so you have, hello guys, so you have this two sinks here, right? Finished with dark cabinetry, and then they probably upgraded this because it doesn't look standard to me, right? The only thing I would suggest is the rain shower there. But look at how they use a different tiling here to make it more interesting. Okay. And then I believe we're entering the closet area, which I believe these are really definitely upgraded. See how it makes it more bigger? It looks big because of those cabinetry. Imagine if this cabinetry wasn't there, then definitely this closet looks small. But because of this different cabinetry, it looks big. Yeah, it looks big. Okay, very neat, clean looking bathroom. Okay, so I think we've toured everything here on the second floor. Nice that they were able to put this loft, but definitely for this price, 2,100 something square feet in the mid 450 or mid 400,000, sorry, price. And then you can still get that $30,000 pretty much. You can use those for upgrades and everything. Let's say closing cost. This looks like a really nice price for the square footage, and I like the opening. It's very, very wide. Feels majestic even though this is a small house. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the entire tour. Really appreciate it. Please comment down below, what do you think of this beautiful home? What do you think of the price and the designs? I really would love to hear feedback from you guys. Thank you so much for your support to the channel.